Welcome to Learn with Shahadat. My name is Shovon. I am making a series of videos to show you very detailed and basic tutorial of AutoCAD 2019. Click on the Learn with Shahadat logo to subscribe and stay with us throughout the whole AutoCAD 2019 tutorial series and many other important tutorials. Also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Hello everyone, welcome to AutoCAD 2019 tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to save a PDF file from AutoCAD 2019. First, let's say I have a drawing, AutoCAD drawing, which is previously drawn. So I have this drawing and I am going to open it. Down, I have almost drawing here of same outlet, different design, different appliances, etc. Now if I want to just specifically print one of these as a PDF, what can I do? So first you need to go to this layout 1 option near left corner, layout 1 option. After going there, you will see a blank white page, right? You can see that. So this blank white page, from here you can actually press Ctrl P, or now you can see this try batch publish. You can just continue to plot a single sheet. You can select only this one. So after selecting this one, you will see this window. So here first you don't have to worry about the name. So first thing you need to do is select the printer or plotter. Here you wanna save this to the Microsoft Print to PDF. So if for some reason your Microsoft Print to PDF doesn't work, maybe it's a driver problem or etc., you can actually use Foxit PDF Reader to Foxit Reader PDF printer. So you can just select that and you have to select the size of the paper. So here I am selecting A4. So here is the important part. You have to select here where to plot, what to plot, layout, display, extent, window. So you wanna select the window. After selecting the window, you will come back to the layout. From here you can just select whatever parts you wanna print as PDF. After selecting that, you can see this here, it's only cover only a portion of the page. So you have to select this fit to paper. When you select the fit to paper, it will cover all the paper. So after that you can see this here plot style. You can print it as a grayscale, monochrome, or etc., or you can just keep it as it is. After that you have to select landscape or portrait. It's important that AutoCAD mode always AutoCAD printout or generally printed as landscape. So you have to select landscape and press OK. Now you can see that a new window has come out, and you can just rename it or whatever. You can just save it or wherever you like. So I'm going to save it in my tutorial folder. So here it goes. It will take a minute or less. So plot and publish is complete. Now we can open this desktop. It will automatically actually open. Now you can see the entire page here. I am going to show you the view after rotating. So you can see this is the landscape view. So the entire drawing is printed on a single page. From here you can actually print this out. So thank you for watching. Stay with us for our next tutorial of AutoCAD 2019. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and let us know. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave a comment below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Once again, please subscribe to this channel and stay with us for future tutorials, and also click on the bell icon to get regular update. Thank you.